Moxy's racing through the park today. Wages ice cream stand her favorite way, but the line is long, oh my, oh my. She bounces, taps, she lets out a sigh. Then Ox turns around with a gentle wink. Babbo smiles, let's stop and think. Lucky Bat holds up, 1, 2, 3. Look around, what do you see? One step, one smile, we wait together. Every little moment makes it sweeter. Hand in hand and side by side. The sweetest wait, the sweetest ride. Babbo points up, a butterfly, dancing, floating way up high. Moxy giggles, breathes in slow, shoulders drop and feelings flow. Ox plays a guessing game with glee. What's your flavor gonna be? Strawberry, pink, or mint so cool. Waiting with friends is never dull. One step, one smile, we wait together. Every little moment makes it sweeter. Hand in hand and side by side. The sweetest wait, the sweetest ride. A new friend hops up and see too. Ox shows him just what to do. Breathe it in, the butterflies fly. Patience passes friend to friend nearby. Now Moxy's at the front of the line. Wage just smiles, take your time. Hands her a scoop, soft and sweet. The sweetest gift, the sweetest treat. Wage hangs her apron, joins the crew. Moxy, Ox, Babbo, Lucky Bat, and Wage too. On a sunny bench, cheers up high. The sweetest wait, the sweetest sky. One step, one smile, oh what a day. The sweetest wait.